Hi, today I'm reviewing the Farsali Unicorn Antioxidant Lip Mask. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I will never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So subscribe, or if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com. So, Farsali recently released the Unicorn Antioxidant Lip Mask, and with the name Unicorn in the title, and I like the brand, I figured I would give it a chance. I always need good lip products, so Farsali describes this as an antioxidant treatment for lips that instantly melts into your skin, leaving lips pillow soft and supple. So, let's get to the bottom of that. So, on to my first criteria, which is packaging. So, jar packaging isn't the best way to package antioxidants. However, it's a pretty thick lip mask. So, I really couldn't see packing this into a squeeze tube or a roll-up tube. So, I kind of gave them the benefit of the doubt. And I didn't kind of ding them for that, although some of the antioxidants such as resveratrol, goji berry, blueberry, and vitamin E are very prone to degrading with exposure to light and air. So not the best way to package it, but I really personally didn't see a reasonable other option for them to package this. So kind of gave them a pass on that one. My second criteria is alcohol, and this does not contain any denatured types of alcohol, so that's always a good thing. My third criteria is fragrance, and this is one of those issues where it does have fragrance. However, the fragrance ingredients are actually good for skin. So usually fragrance ingredients such as fragrance in and of itself or a lot of like citrus oils aren't good for you or your skin. This actually contains fragrance ingredients that are good for skin, such as ethyl vanillin. It's an antioxidant. It also gives off a vanilla scent. And then some of the berry fruits also sometimes give off a little bit of a natural scent. And those are also good antioxidants. So, for once, we have something in here where it's fragrance, but it's good. So, not all fragrance is always bad, but a lot of the time it's probably bad. So, the manufacturing for this is the U.S., so no issues with that. Ease of use, so they have several different uses. So, you can use this as a mask where you massage a generous layer over your lips before bed. And for me, I personally have a hard time getting a generous amount of this out of the jar. So a lot of times I'll just apply it that way, which isn't always the best, but it is a very, very dense lip product. So it's hard to get a lot of it on there. And then after I apply it, usually within a couple hours, it's pretty much fully absorbed. You can also use this as a prep for lipstick or matte lipsticks. Just apply a little bit before your lipstick. And personally, I actually found this is where this product actually works best. If you're going to apply like a matte, like the matte lipstick I'm wearing right now, I applied a little bit of this before it, and it just allowed it to slide on a little bit easier. And it also prevents it from drying out or your lips cracking. It also says you can use this as a lip scrub if you take out, what they say, like a half a teaspoon and mix in a little bit of sugar grains, and you can use it as a scrub. So you can definitely use it that way. So you can pick any way you like it. I personally think it excels using it as a lip prep. Using it as a lip mask, it's just not quite slippery enough, or it just doesn't quite have enough oils in there to really work well, totally absorbing like as you're sleeping, because it has a tendency to absorb pretty quickly, at least in my experience. But whichever way you choose to use it, it's pretty easy, so no issues at all with that. Antioxidants is my sixth criteria. So they've got two forms of castor seed oil, which is good for hydrating and moisturizing. Acai berry, good antioxidant. Then we've got Sambucus nigra, which is black elderberry, which is also good antioxidant. Lycium barumbia, which is goji berry or wolfberry. It goes by a different name. Also good antioxidant. Blueberry, good antioxidant. Ethyl vanilla, good antioxidant. Vitamin E, hydrating and good antioxidants. So they've done a good job. It really does have a lot of good antioxidants in there. It's unfortunate that the jar package doesn't really allow those to shine because they will degrade every time you open it, but they still did a really good job, and this has a lot of good beneficial ingredients. So it's nice to see something to take care of your whole lip area. So my seventh criteria is animal testing, and this is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So always good to see. Performance. So it feels okay, nothing overwhelming. It feels like it absorbs rather quickly. It isn't quite hydrating as hydrating as you'd think of with a mask. With a mask, I think of something that's really slathered on, absorbs. When you wake up in the morning, you still feel a little bit of it left on there. But for this, usually I wake up like 5 times during the middle of the night. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I sleep with my dogs. That could be why they wake me up. But I always, by the time I wake up around like 1 a.m. or midnight, it feels like it's all gone. And then I go to my lip product that I keep on my nightstand and apply it. So it doesn't seem to really work as a mask. It really works more just as a lip balm and something that's hydrating. When I think of a mask, I just think of more hydration than this. So, and personally, like I mentioned before, I think this works much better as a lipstick prep product or a lipstick primer. So, personally, I'll finish this jar, but I don't think I'd repurchase it. So, okay, on to my 9th criteria, which is price. So, this is the full size, which is 0.2 ounces or 6 grams. And it retails for $20. So it's pricey. I think I picked it up during the Sephora sale. So I got a little bit of a discount on it, but still pretty pricey. Although for a Sephora lip mask, lip balm product, it's right in the range of acceptable prices there. So it is expensive though. And then the it factor, it's a little bit pricey. It seems to work better at everything except really being a lip mask. Works better as a lip scrub, a lip prep. It works at everything else except for being a lip mask. Or at least what my mental envisionment of a lip mask is. So it's a nice list of antioxidant ingredients. I like that it's cruelty-free. Pricey though. I'll definitely finish the jar. Probably won't repurchase it. And you know what? If my lips are really dry and I'm looking at my countertop, this wouldn't be the first product I'd reach for. There's about 5 other ones I'd reach for before this. But it does have a lot of good antioxidants. It's got some really good qualities in there. The reviews on Sephora, people seem to love it or hate it. So I'm actually somewhere in the middle. So it's got some good qualities in there. Not the best lip mask, but seems to do a good job of everything else. So I gave this a 7 out of 10, which is still decent. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to check this out, or if you have a favorite lip mask. What do you have and why do you like it? So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out nobsbeauty.com, and I will see you tomorrow.